Hey everyone, Christopher here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to update your Jeep JK cluster. I've gotten a few comments asking how you go about doing that, so I decided to make a quick video showing you how. Enjoy. We're going to go to the GitHub site that I have in the description down below, and we're going to download the zip file, which contains the update file for our digital cluster. Then, using any USB stick less than 16 gigabytes, we're going to plug that into our computer. Once we have our USB stick in our computer, we want to make sure that it's less than 16 gigs, and we're going to format it to FAT32. So just do a quick format and you're done. Once your USB finishes formatting, we're going to want to open up our USB and go to our downloads. Then, we're just going to drag the downloaded file into our USB, and once that's finished, we can eject it and we'll go to our vehicle. All right, so now that we're in the Jeep, if you remember, I told you to install the USB cable in your glove compartment. So let me just find it. So now that the vehicle's on, and we've opened up our glove compartment, I'm going to grab the USB and put the USB stick in there. Okay, so once you got the USB attached to our cluster, it'll extract the file for us. It'll do this all automatically, so we don't really have to do much. So it'll extract the file, and we just sit and wait. Then it'll begin updating. After I did some more research, what they ended up deciding to do to fix the cluster time was to get rid of it entirely. So if you don't mind updating your time all the time, then don't update. But this was their fix, was to remove the time all entirely. I don't like it, but I also don't like changing the time constantly. So there you go. That's how you update.